How to add debit card on Amazon. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add debit card as your payment method on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Amazon. Head over to amazon.com and then log in into your account. After you log in, you'll see your username right here. After you're on your username, here you can see a lot of different options. Head over to your account. Tap on this account option. And after you tap on your account, you should see a lot of different options like this. You will need to head over to your payments. As you see here, your payments option, tap on that. And after you tap on that, here you will be able to add a payment method. If you already have a payment method, it will be listed here as well. Just tap on add a payment method. And after you tap on add a payment method, here you can choose credit or debit card. Here you'll see add a credit or debit card. Tap on that. After you tap on that, here you will now need to enter your credit card's number, your name on the credit card, the expiration date, and then your security code or CVV code. After you type that in, you can also choose which bank here. You can link your card as well. Simply tap on add your card after you fill in the information and you'll have added your debit card on your Amazon. And it's basically that simple, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.